Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Chris Dennert with PureTap, Chasing Trends in the Dennert Media Group. I wanted to give a shout out to my buddy Josh Ryder. He actually came out with a software that's helped us tremendously over just the last 30 days. A little bit about us, we do a lot of social media management, marketing, and we have these huge followings online. And I'm always trying to find out better ways that we could create additional streams of income from those followings. Well, when I met Josh in San Diego, he told me about a software that he came out for membership sites. And a few simple changes, I gave him a couple ideas, and in less than a day, we knocked out a group called PureTap. You can look it up, puretap.com, if you want to see what it's all about. But in 33 days, we've signed up 81 people, and with zero overhead, I'm making over $8,000 a month passive income by simply using a membership site. So I anticipate seeing this thing grow over the next probably 60 to 90 days to over 500 people. That's $50,000 a month running a membership site. And I didn't get this. I didn't even have to add any more people to my staff in order to do this, so no increase in overhead. All we do is have a platform now where we can video what we're doing daily, upload it to the membership site, and people have access for $97 a month to all the strategies that we use as a seven-figure merchandising business on social media. So Josh, I want to say thanks, bro. It's really helping out, and we anticipate it being one of our biggest income streams before the end of the year. So again, this is Chris Dennert with the Dennert Media Group, PureTap, and Chasing Trends, and I'll see you guys soon.